Hello, this is Studio tu2 News. Today we discuss the Assamese film Mission China. Mission China is a 2017 Assamese language action drama film directed by Zubeen Garg and produced by Garima Shaykhia Garg under the banner of I Creation Productions. The film features Zubeen Garg and Deeplina Deka in lead role and Satyaki Dekambuyan, Siddhartha Goswami, Yankee Parashar, Parthasarathi Mahanta, Pavitra Rabba, Bibhuti Bhushan Hazarika, Tridib Layan, Nabadwi Borgohain, Rajini Parashar and Bashwati Bharati in supporting roles. Zubeen also wrote the script and screenplay for the film. Mission China is a milestone in the history of Assamese cinema. Although having a weak storyline up, with its production, music, stardom and promotion, Mission China made a glorious box office collection in the 55 cinema halls in Assam. Mission China features many exotic locations such as Mirza, Sikkim, Shillong, Dimahasao, Taiwan etc. Mission China was released on September 8 in 55 theaters in Assam and many other theaters in Delhi, Bangalore, Pune, and Mumbai. Thank you. Please subscribe my official channel, Studio tu2.